So what are crow's feet and how do we treat them? Crow's feet is the name given to the lines around the eye, and they're formed from repeated contraction of the muscle, often from smiling and from squinting in the sun. The lines get deeper as we get older, and people who have more sun damage and UV exposure tend to get deeper lines. To treat crow's feet, we put a few small injections around the eyes, and it takes about 5 to 10 days for the lines to soften. So on the day of the treatment, you won't notice any difference, and day by day you'll notice that the lines become softer. The treatment should last ideally 3 to 4 months, and the amount of units depends on how deep the lines are. Some people with very fine lines may need 6 units perhaps. The standard female crow's feet, probably about 8 to 10 units. But in some patients, we've used up to 15 units. These are people that have got very difficult lines or very deep lines. If you visit the cost page on the Cityskin website, you'll be able to see a breakdown and use the slider bar to look at how many units you may need. Men generally need more units than women. Going back to what a unit is a measure of anti-wrinkle product, and it's not the number of injections. So when we say we use 10 units, it's not 10 injections. We often do 3 or 4 little injection points and divide those 10 units amongst those 3 or 4 injection points there. Have a look at our before and after gallery for examples of patients having their crow's feet treated. In the examples there, the patients are between 30 and 40 years of age, and we've used approximately 10 units to treat their crow's feet. The treatment lasted 3 to 4 months.